Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark or CapCut logo which appears at the end of our video. Okay guys, if we create your project on CapCut, we will get this CapCut ending or this CapCut logo at the end of our video. And to remove it, we just need to tap on the ending and then we're going to click on delete. And as you can see that the CapCut logo or CapCut watermark has been removed from my project. However guys, if we create new project, it will keep appearing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, as you can see that it appear again at the end of my video and I need to remove it manually like this. So here I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut ending or CapCut logo permanently. I'm going to go to the CapCut setting here, click on this icon on the top right, and then you're going to turn off the default ending. Wait, okay, and then I'm going to click on discard. And after that, anytime we create a new project on CapCut, the ending won't appear anymore. And wait, let me create new project. Okay, as you can see that the ending has been automatically removed. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut watermark which appears on our CapCut template or which appear on the video which use the CapCut template, for example this one. Okay, oops. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove this CapCut watermark guys. So if we want to remove it, we can go to the export menu first, and then you can select export without watermark. And wait, let me click on the resolution and I'm going to choose this resolution. Click on done and click on export without watermark, and then the CapCut logo or CapCut watermark will be removed. Okay, now my video is being exported. Okay, done guys, and as you can see that the CapCut watermark is not there. It has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark or CapCut logo. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.